Ooh. Oh, this is nice. Automatic or not? Wait. Where the? Aha, lights. Hello guys and welcome to the second edition of my retro car reviews from Citybee. This is a Golf 2, Volkswagen Golf 2. Anyway, this was small and compact. The GTI version of this car is iconic to say the least, and well, I can understand why, because this is such a simple car, just like the Audi was. There's nothing here you don't need. Heating, a simple radio, manual, windows manual, mirrors. Everything works. What engine this car has, I have no idea. Just as the Audi, but I couldn't care less because this is an old Golf. Well, why isn't the? Doesn't go very fast. Well, even compared to the slowest versions of modern cars, this is a very slow car, but it's a city runabout. You don't need more. Forget about your heated seats or lane keep assists. This is a simple car, just as the Audi 80 was. If you haven't seen that video yet, please go check it out. The seat materials are so old-fashioned, but they're so nice somehow. They bring back so much memories from my, youth. And the same pattern continues here. It's all hard and plasticky. The Audi is much better equipped on the inside, I have to say. This feels plastic even, but somehow the Audi felt tired. Let's just say that it didn't feel like it's happy. The suspension was making a weird noise and stuff like that, but this feels very tightly screwed in, even after it's done 217,000 kilometers. Well, I'm guessing it's not a correct number, but who knows. This car has a 4-speed gearbox. You don't see these, anymore. This is a feature of the older cars, but it still has a reverse. You have to push it down, and then you can put it into first, front, left, reverse. First, second, third, fourth is still the same, but you're just missing the 5th gear. But in the city you don't really need that anyway. Clutch point is very high up, but you can very quickly find the sweet spot in this car. It has a nice grunt even in 3rd gear at 50 kilometers an hour. Very nice. Now let's try 4th gear. 4th gear, no problem. gear throw is a lot better than the Audi's was. Brakes are better too, a lot better actually. Suspension is a bit harder, but it's, you know, logical. The Audi was the, you know, more expensive brand back in the day, as it is right now. I'd have to say that there are more reasons to buy an Audi nowadays than there was before. Interesting. But I do like the seats. Don't you just love them? Haven't gotten used to the first gear clutch yet, but... And you know what? People look at you when you're driving this car. You can be in your brand new 5 Series BMW or whatever. If you see an old car like this, everybody will look at it. Even the, you know, people who aren't that interested in cars. They will see, that's a cool car. You must be a cool person. But if you're driving your, you know, brand new E-Class or Renault or Opel or whatever Audi, you just fit in the crowd. This is a retro car now. This is cool again. There was a period in time where this was regarded as just junk basically. But nowadays the Audi 80, the B2 Audi 80 and this Golf Mk2, they are iconic retro cars, classic cars even, if you say. Well, this isn't in, you know, concourse quality of course, but still it has its merits. Steering is a lot harder than brand new cars. I think it doesn't have any steering assist actually. Come to think of it. Gearbox feels perfect. Rev match downshifting, come on. And just as in the Audis, you don't have a rev counter, you have a clock. Why did they use a clock? I mean, it's illogical at best, I think. I can't tell where the rev limiter is, and I really don't want to, you know, rev these cars up high, so I'm just taking it easy. No draggy accelerations here. I'm sorry about that. Tape deck stereo. Thankfully most of my viewers are my age, so they still know what tape deck is. It was before the CD came, and it was before iPods came, and it was before Spotify. So if you're like 15 and stuff like that, this is how we listen to the music in my youth. But yeah, this was my short review of the Golf 2, Volkswagen Golf 2. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done that already. It would help me out a lot, so I could do these types of videos more and more. Thank you. Bye bye.